what archaeologically would you have to see to be like, this might be an alien?
A technology that doesn't belong there, first and foremost. I mean, we gotta, if we just run with the premise that somebody was capable of making a vehicle that could get them from somewhere far away to here, that was almost certainly mechanical. Now, I love the aliens thing where, biomechanical is something that certainly could be, and that would, that would disintegrate. We wouldn't see that at all. But I would expect some kind of technology that showed up out of the blue and changed things. That would be something. But I would think, mechanical,
Right.
or, a substance that's not from here.
But of course, we would only see the results of that mechanical. You mean like literally a mechanical thing?
Right. Some sort of thing like that. The typical thing people say is like, how did they move these giant stones? Right. But, just look at that on the face for a second. Aliens come from across the universe to meet humans, and the thing they tell them is how to move rocks? Are you fucking kidding me? I mean, like give them antibiotics or a combustion engine or something. They came across the universe and they showed them how to move big rocks. I mean, that doesn't make any sense. That just doesn't make any sense.